Hello friends, welcome to our channel How to Do in Germany. So I'm making this video to show some tips for your kinder children. So I know this is very critical time during this lockdown and children not allowed to play outside and we cannot meet everybody. We cannot meet we cannot visit others home and there are huge restrictions and completely this is a little bit difficult for kinder. um, yeah, that's why I'm making this video, because we will have more time to educate our children. Because some children going school, some children is not going to school in Germany. So I'm basically from India, and we have faced many problems because we do not yeah had much time before, but now we have more time. Then we were searching some learning kits for our kid, and even we tried to buy some books and other stuffs, and but I found in internet, I used to search in internet. We found many materials, and some of them are very good. I'm going to explain about these only the four ways to teach your children in a good way. So, and this is also apply even though if your children are in schools, it's not a problem. The parents should guide your children. That's very important here. This is why, because we should not depend on only on the schools. We have to teach to our children about our traditional and about our mother tongue. This is very important. And to live in Germany, we have to absolutely we have to learn German language, and to connect internationally, we need to learn English. So my English is not so good, but because I've learned my education in my regional language in India, in Tamil Nadu in India. So let us have this session. I'm going to show first application. I hope you can see my screen here and Google. And now I'm going to Google Play Store. So first application, we have to go Anton. You should type Anton up. Yeah, this is one of the best application ever we found, and here you can see many like mathematics. It's a joyful learning, obviously, and motivational games and mathematics and many. And here you get children. This application is very suitable the children who are going for kindergarten. So they can able to write how to write a letter, and how to read, and timing, to know to practice the timings and learning how to say time, and calculations and some geometries. So this I found very interesting, because in the initial stage the kinder should learn not the letters, and but they should know the shapes and colors, and they should learn the practical what they are seeing outside this world. So then later they have to start their speech uh, by seeing the environment, or from us we have to practice the spoken German or spoken English. Then later they can learn one by one A, B, C, D, and the letters and grammars. This is the way. This is the way from a child. This is how we have learned our mother's tongue. So then there are some calculations here, and the pictures, and how to read the picture, and also some games. This I found very interesting here. So this you can because nowadays our children using tabs and phones, whatever it may be, we can choose this application and we can put some child lock to run only these applications. It's also possible. So this way I found very better for the children who is kindergarten, and also we can able to teach them. There are so many options in this application. I'm just giving you an idea and an overview about this application. And next we found there is a website called Amira. Just a minute. Lesson.de. Yeah, here there are three options. I could see Lesen, Spielen, Hören. In Spielen, we can go here, and yeah, there are many puzzle games you can try here. For example, this puzzle, it's like there will be a picture, and okay, in this picture, then if you click whiter, then they shuffle themselves, and then you can learn your children how to play this by selecting and swapping the slides to other area. Then you can match the picture as it is. So this is like very good game for thinking. This is very good for creativity. So then there are some other application games like one player, low skates. Yeah, here, like I'm just showing an example. So this is here, and this will shuffle themselves. Then we have to find that is where. So now I'm clear on this here. Yeah, I found this. So you will get some points. So so this is very interesting. I found this is very easy to your children to think more, and it's very better. It's like a game as well. They can improve their skills, and they can give more practice to their brain. And this is the first option. We can go here, and lesson definitely they need an I could say it is not for the kindergarten. Maybe after kindergarten they have to practice how to listen, um, how to read the texts. So this is very important here. Then if I'm selecting one of the text, the story, then this is go page by page as like book. And this I found very interesting. It is like a storybook. So your children, you can teach your children in by using these texts. This will be very interesting stories. There are a lot of stories here. This I found very good. And Horan. Horan is very similar to the lesson. The similar books in audio files. So your children can listen the German audios from this. It looks like yeah, there are some audios. So you can play, and this will children can listen this, and they can practice their German levels. And even though that's very suitable for us too. And yeah, now the next option, many of people know about this. Kika, you can search like Kika in Germany, and there'll be a Kika T link. Here you can find many of TV programs. It was already published in television, and here there are some videos. And this I found very better than seeing some cartoons in series. Except this will be very good for. It's like there are many educational contents in these videos, and the children can know the culture, and they can know how to speak. And there are many, like there are some puzzles and games in this website. It's just I'm giving an overview. We can go here like videos, and here this is like a creative designs by using papers, and yeah, this is by handworks. It's to improve our creativity like painting, and there are many here. So this I found very interesting. And Spielen also, similarly, it has puzzles, and this is not for the yeah, this is it's combined for kindergarten and more than kindergarten levels. So I found this very interesting, and yeah, we can go for an example here. So here it shows two picture. Yeah, this is two picture. We have to find the difference between the two. So this five differences are here. Children should know where is the difference. I found this is very interesting, and this will be a good work for the brains. And yeah, so yeah, you can go to the menu of here, and you can search what you like, and you can teach your children. This I found very interesting. And the next one, everybody know this. It is called Duolingo, one of the best applications to learn our language. There are many languages, not only German and English and other language, other European language also is here. And here we can register ourselves, and yeah, this we cannot learn complete language by Duolingo, but we can make ourselves very stronger in basic grammars. For example, in German we say the, der, die, das. It's very difficult to memorize, but if you are playing this kind of applications, there are some games also, and it's similarly like games, and we can it's like user friendly applications. So there'll be many repetitive questions and options, so we can able to practice more time to get all the stuffs in our brain. So I found this very interesting. And yeah, this is the four ways I just found for our kinder. And so when you know if you know any other website links, please write down in the comment box, so I will make videos to showcase these useful links to others. So um, and also I am able to because I have good skills in my mother tongue like Tamil, and even I would like to create such kind of applications in our Tamil language. So if you have any technical support, maybe if you need to make your own language, your own mother tongue, like this, the application called Anto, so we can work together. And because I'm not so familiar with multimedia developments, I would like to get some people to work on, because when we are coming from other countries, so definitely they are going to learn German in schools. But what about our mother tongue? They have to learn that all. I found it's very important to learn mother tongue. So we will provide an option to create useful applications, useful websites like this. So I need technical people yeah, to create some applications, and maybe I can support from the language Tamil, and I have an idea how it should be, because I'm very happy to see this kind of applications works very well with the children. So, and yeah, if you find very useful information in this video, please like us and subscribe. And if you have any questions about some other areas like jobs in Germany and visa process, any subjects, please write me in this comment, then I can make videos for that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.